Alright, a car of mass 1000 kg accelerates at 2 meter per second square. What is the resultant force on the car? Okay, so first of all, what we have to do means we have to write down the given data first. For example, here mass is given m equal 1000 kilogram, and next one we have here acceleration is given. So acceleration A equal 2 meter per second square. Alright, what is the resultant force? So resultant force, the formula for the resultant force, or the force, is F equal mass times the acceleration. Right, so the mass is given as 1000 kilogram times the acceleration is 2. So 1000 times 2 is equal to 2000 Newton. So the resultant force is 2000 Newton. So the option D is correct. Coming to the second question, if the resultant force of an object is 0, what will happen to the motion of the object? Say for an example, if the resultant force is equal to 0, so resultant force equal to 0, that means 0 acceleration. That means no acceleration. No acceleration. So, no acceleration means that object will move at same speed. That means the options here, the right option here is given as it will move at constant velocity. Now, coming to the question number 3. A force of 10 Newton acts on a mass of 2 kg, what is acceleration produced? So as I told you before, first thing what we have to do while solving a numerical is first write down the data given. So here, what are the given data here? Is force is given, that is F equal to 10 Newton. Second one, the mass is given, m equal to 2 kg. So what we have to find out, we need to find out the acceleration produced. So use the triangle method here. The relationship between force, mass and acceleration is equal to force equal mass times acceleration. So here what we need to find out, the acceleration. So here acceleration A equal to force over mass. So force is 10 Newton and the mass given is 2, so which is equal to 5 meter per second squared. So the option is B. Coming to the fourth question, which of the following is correct equation for Newton's second law of motion? We know that force F equal to mass times the acceleration. Now coming to the section B questions, a car of mass 1200 kilogram accelerates from rest to 20 meter per second in 10 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of the car, and second one, find the resultant force of the car. So to find the acceleration of a car, we have an equation. Acceleration is equal to, acceleration A equal to final velocity V minus U divided by time. So here the value of V, that means the final velocity, is 20 meter per second. V is equal to 20 meter per second, and initial velocity is 0. Why? Because the car is accelerates from rest. So the initial velocity, that is u, equal to 0. So if you substitute these values here, we'll get a equal to v. V is 20 minus 0 divided by time. Time is 10 seconds. So 20 divided by 10, you'll get acceleration A equal to 20 divided by 10 is 2 meter per second square. So that is the answer for question A. Now coming to the resultant force acting on the car. We know the equation for the force, F equal mass times the acceleration. So here mass is given as 1200 kilogram times the acceleration. Acceleration we found as 2 meter per second square. So 2 meter per second square. So if you multiply this two, you will get the force as force F equal 2400. The unit of force is Newton.